another location, and then now we'll go back to the home page and see how the map works. Alright, I'm just going to enter a city, and in a distance, and there are the two locations I have show up. Now I'll highlight this one, and you see this marker. When I highlight it or hover over it, it turns red. If I hover it over here, it turns red, and it goes back to blue. Same with the other. Alright, and now if I click on it, it's going to go and it's going to give me my information. And you can even get directions by entering your address right there. If you click on this website, I don't think I have a website for this one, and it just says no website. You can just put, this location does not have a website. On this one, I do have a website. If you remember, I put in Yahoo just for the heck of it. There we go. Alright, so now let's go back to the locations directory. And here's our list of locations. Remember, you can search to find them. So if I enter this one city, and there, that's the one I wanted to edit. Okay, go back again, and of course, searching by name. I told you I named them the same thing because we're just gonna have a hotel chain like Holiday Inn. There'd be no difference in the name, but you could make My Hotel Jupiter or North Palm Beach for this one here, My Hotel Jupiter. But if you have multiple ones, it might get a little confusing. I'm going to add one more location, and I'm going to show you something. Now I've added the information for another location, and I'm not going to put an image. I'm just going to submit it. It's going to tell me there's an error. You did not add location. I go to the directory, and it says no image available. However, you can put whatever you want. That's just kind of a filler image right now. But if we go back to the main page and we do a search, and I'm going to search a distance 25 miles, so I know they'll all come up. And right here, we only have those original two, because I'm requiring them to have an image. Now you do not have to require this. I'm requiring them to have an image, right here before it'll appear. Let me show you the code for that. Alright, I'm back in Dreamweaver, and I open up the scripts folder, and I went to map XML. And if you go down here in the code, one of the things I have is where photo does not equal 0. So what happens when when you add an image, it's going to update our database where it says photo, and it's going to give it a name. However, if you don't upload an image, it's going to put a 0 in there as the default character. And so what we're saying here is we're only searching for locations that do not have a 0. Okay, so that one I added where I didn't add an image, it has a 0 right now, so it's not going to appear. So let's go back to the directory. Alright, here I am in the locations directory. Let's go back down, and here's where we have that hotel without the image. I'm going to go edit image, and here's the image. Update. It was updated. I'm going to go to the directory. There it is. Now if I go back out and I enter the same location again, and I'm going to search 25 miles again, and there we have it. All three come up, and there it is with that image. Alright, so very simple, but that's the basics of creating a store locator with Google Maps that I have. And I'm telling you, I encourage you to change it around, make it look better. I am not a designer. I don't have an artistic bone in my body. So just go to mikescodeschool.com, download the code, and remember, I'm going to have like 7 or 8 of these, and they're all going to do something a little bit different. And just choose the one you want to do, and this tutorial will show you how to get started, and then you'll be able to take over from there for each individual one. I'm going to have a short tutorial on what each individual one